Good morning, guys. Here we've got OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then go to Wallpapers and Style, and click on Wallpapers. And now you can select the album from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be one from your own photos, over here, one from live wallpapers, static wallpapers, or online wallpapers, however you like. Let me add the Barbie picture as my wallpaper. You can customize it however you like, and then tap on Apply. Finally, decide if you want it on your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I want to go with the third option, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.